Okay, so just for purposes of letting your people know, I put this piece of water line in here. It's actually black poly. If you look right there on that side, that's black poly. We installed this so that the guy could introduce air into the system. That's a meter, goes from there, turns. I'm going to back up a little bit so you can see. And instead of going into the house like we thought it was doing, it goes there, it turns, and comes back this way. Oop. It goes back this way towards the street. As you can see down that way, it goes that way. There's the garage. So the water line comes around, goes this way. Leak is right there. Then it turns, comes over this way under the bush right there, and then up the left side of the sidewalk, and then under the house. So when I look back at it like this, you'll see that that's actually the route the water line took. That's why it took so long to find it, because the guy started inside looking for the leak and checked the entire slab of the house. We kept hearing it out here near the driveway, but it wasn't making sense. I drilled pilot holes out here every few feet to see if we could find the water, or he could listen underground. We kept hearing it, but we wasn't finding water, so I got suspicious and used my locator and stuff there, took the water line apart, ran a tracer wire through it, and located it underground, and then found out that it went this way. And then there was a process of elimination to eventually find the leak. But there it is. The recommendation is, instead of repairing that, here's the front door. The water line is right about here. So we'll probably find it here, and then there's a section of driveway right there that we got to get through. What I was going to do is try to water bore. We can't really use a bore machine because there's other lines under the ground, like sewer lines and stuff. We don't want to hit it. So I'm going to try to water bore under the driveway, and I'm going to just replace the whole line from that brass fitting right there. I'm going to run a new line down the side of the ditch under the driveway right here, and then over there, and then tie in right around that bush and do away with all the old water line that's under the driveway, so you don't have to deal with that again. That's the plan.